3 easy steps today. We're lifting an engine, okay? So we're gonna lift, swing, and drop it onto the scheuerle over there. 3 steps, see you there. Here's the sitch. We got 2 lifting lugs on the top there. We're gonna use these 25-ton shackles, and Dan's gonna swing over here with his hook here, and we're gonna hook him up right away here for you. See you then. And let me hop up there. So it's a 25-ton shackle, so it's good for 50,000 pounds. Working low limit. So I'm just making sure he's plumb, coming straight up with the load so that he doesn't drift either way, which way, towards him or outwards. Just make sure he's coming up straight. Everything's looking good here. Start coming up slow. And you're floating an inch, floating a foot. I'm gonna tie the tagline on here so we just can keep it from swinging all over the place. It's not too windy, but always better safe than sorry. Yeah, looking good. Coming a little towards you, half a foot, and coming down, touching. It went so well that they need us again on the other side of the yard here, so we'll see you soon.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm in control, I'm in my mode, I'm in my zone. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm in control, I'm in my mode, I'm in my zone. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, that's a good one right there. I'm a natural swimmer.